I'm really excited to announce to the Australian farmers that the Bute discs are fitted on diamond frames from 5 metres, 8 metres, 12 metres. Now those models are fitted to the Dalbo frames. My relationship with Dalbo is that they're a European company and they put my discs on their frames and service the European farmers. Techro now from Clare are importing those Dalbo frames, and of course it's got the Bute discs fitted on it. So if you're looking for a model, that size model, give Techro a call. On the other side, we've partnered with Clear Ridge Fabrication. Now you might know Clear Ridge Fabrication from the grouper bins, the Clear Ridge Super Bin they call them. Fantastic. They've got in-house powder coating facilities. They're based in West Wyalong, and they're making models 1342, 13 metres 42 feet. They're making the 50, 15, 52 models, the 52 feet, and the 1862 models.